Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring a fascinating question. What happens if you eat salmon every day? Salmon is often praised as a superfood, but is it really safe to eat it daily? Let's dive into the benefits and potential drawbacks of making salmon a daily part of your diet. First up, salmon is incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Eating salmon every day can help reduce inflammation, lower your risk of heart disease, and even improve cognitive function. It's like giving your body a daily dose of wellness. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle repair and overall body function. If you're active or just want to maintain strong muscles as you age, daily salmon can be a great way to meet your protein needs. In addition to omega-3 and protein, salmon is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. These nutrients support everything from bone health to energy production, making salmon a nutritional powerhouse. However, there is a potential downside: mercury exposure. While salmon generally contains lower mercury levels than other fish, eating it every day could still lead to an accumulation of mercury in your body over time. It's important to consider where your salmon comes from and how much you're consuming. Another thing to keep in mind is the risk of nutrient imbalance. While salmon is nutritious, relying on it too heavily could mean you're missing out on other important nutrients found in a varied diet. Variety is key to a balanced and healthy diet. So should you eat salmon every day? The answer depends on your individual health and dietary needs. While salmon offers numerous health benefits, it's best to enjoy it as part of a varied diet. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week to reap the benefits without overdoing it. If you're considering eating salmon daily, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.